Understanding the Gulf States. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a term that you might have come across in news, geography, or politics: Gulf states. Understanding such terms not only helps in enriching your vocabulary but also in giving you a clearer picture of world affairs. So, let's dive in and discover what the Gulf states refers to and why it's important. The phrase, Gulf states, can refer to the countries that are located around a particular gulf, which is a large bay that is partially surrounded by land. In general usage, however, it often specifically means the countries around the Persian Gulf in the Middle East. These include Bahrain, Kuwait, Iraq, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates, UAE. The Gulf states are known for their significant oil reserves, which play a major role in the global economy. They have considerable influence on energy markets and world politics because of their resources. Additionally, these countries have rich cultural heritages and are important destinations for business and tourism. When you hear about the Gulf states in the news, it often pertains to topics like energy policies, diplomatic relations, and economic developments. The term is also frequently associated with discussions on regional security and international negotiations. Let's put our learning into practice. Here are a few examples of how to use Gulf states in a sentence. The Gulf states are major exporters of crude oil. There is a unique architectural style prevalent in the Gulf states. The conference discussed peace in the Middle East, including the role of the Gulf states. I hope this video has helped you understand what the Gulf states are and how the term is used in various contexts. Whether it's about global economics or regional culture, knowing phrases like this is a great asset in mastering the English language. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative videos on English learning.